I'll tell you what, one of the best things I did bring with me is a thing of Carmex. My lips are like chapped from riding. This thing definitely came in hand. Definitely. So I'm still hanging out inside the shelter. I got chili on, like I said before. It's been on for a while now, but I'm just letting it stew. I don't know if you can still see me or not. I don't know how. I'm guessing you can. But yeah, I'm just letting it just hang out, stew. I mean, I'm not starving or anything, so I'm just let it go. Whenever I'm hungry, I'll just take a few bites, let it go. Just kind of just relaxing and chilling. This is fun, you know. Definitely enjoying myself. And now since I put up that tarp, has definitely kept it 110% warmer in here. As you can see, I'm just wearing thermals and a t-shirt, just like as if I'm at home. You know, I did go down there and went and picked up another trailer full of logs just in case. I don't think I'm gonna need them tonight, but just in case, I will have them. In the meantime, yeah, just hanging out, waiting for chili to be done. It's not done, I just keep taking spoonfuls out as I go. Every time I stir it, take a spoonful out or two. Yeah. Alright, so it's getting dark. I figured I'd go fill up my water bottle for later. Also, what I did was I brought my phone charger just in case there happens to be an outlet. I can maybe test one of them, but I gotta walk all the way down to this bathroom. It's a good distance down here, but I'm gonna go walk down there. Sorry if I was blinding you, but yeah, I'm gonna go walk down there. Hey, if there happens to be an outlet, that's great. I can come down later, plug in my battery pack, let that charge up. Because they closed this this park. It's only open to people that are riding their bikes along the Gap Trail and hikers. But that's the only people that are able to come through here. There's a car right now. I wonder if that's that same cop that was here last night. Because last night I came and cop checked on me while I was in the one. Plus there was somebody's car that was parked there, and because they closed the gate, they wanted to know whose car it was to tell them that they're either going to be stuck here for the night or to get their belongings and roll out. Which that's when I decided to take over that one that little shelter that has the fireplace in it. Which I set up that tarp, man. And that thing is. I was just wearing a long sleeve shirt and a t-shirt, and that's it. Like, I'm warm. I did not have a problem at all. I'm not going to tonight. That's for. Yeah, it's gonna be comfy tonight, and it's supposed to get to like to 18 degrees. But I'm not gonna have a problem. I wish it actually would get colder, believe it or not. That'd be nice. But anyways, let me get up here and go try it for this water, and maybe I'll find a outlet that would be pretty decent too. Looks like everybody's leaving the park, so. But anyways, I'll get back with you. All right, so I got back. There was an outlet inside that bathroom, but you needed a fuse to stick inside of it. So I'm gonna remember that for next time. I'm gonna bring like a 30 amp fuse and jam it in there, and then I'll have electrical power. Note to self, remember a fuse. It's just like one of those, you know, the two-prong flat ones that you stick in a car, or like a car amp. Yeah, it's just like one of those just simple amps. But brought a bar Irish Spring with me. Went and washed my hands, washed my face. Yeah. So just did the thing. Did the damn thing. I got my chili on. Actually, I'm gonna stir that. Let's check this out. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Yeah. I'm gonna try a little bit. Damn, it's good. That's real good. It's spicy. I added some of that hot sauce that I had in there. It's spicy. Some of the vegetables, because I guess the vegetables are dried, some of them aren't done all the way. But yeah, it tastes good. It tastes real good. Yeah, so it's feeling a little bit like home in here. I might get too comfortable here and not even go to Ohio Pile. I'm kind of enjoying this. And I was sitting there thinking about it too, that I mean, I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow to go there. I just don't know what to expect because I've never been there. Just like I was never here. This was all a surprise to me. I just picked up and left. I knew I wanted to ride this trail. I knew there was camping sites. I just didn't know what I was getting myself into. Ohio Pile, I probably won't have one of these Adirondack shelters, but that's okay because I do have that tarp behind me, so I can use that as like a windbreaker on top of. If all else fails, I'll just stay in my tent. I mean, it's got its own rain fly and everything, so I would be fine. Even if my tent was outside all day long, I'd have probably just been inside my tent by myself and, you know, no fire at all. Or if I did have a fire, it would be outside and I'd be constantly just coming out of my tent just to stalk it and go back in. But yeah, so just making some good food. And this is my lunch, actually. It's just not even done. That's what's funny about it. Hold on, what time is it? It's 5:58. And wow, I've been doing a lot of filming lately. I should probably slow down. But I mean, that's my whole entire objective of this whole entire ordeal is to film it. So yeah, I might as well film the whole entire thing and what I'm going through and whatnot. So if any of you guys care, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share it. You know, I appreciate it. Yeah, this is fun. Hanging out by the fire. It's cozy in here. It really is. I thought I heard them turkeys up there earlier, and I think that they were roosting. I thought I could see a couple like shadows up in the trees on top of that hill, but I wasn't sure. I was gonna try to videotape them all flying up like I saw yesterday, because yesterday was pretty cool. You could see them all like taking off from the ground and going up. I don't know. Anyways, starting to rain again. Just started to pick up. Great. Well, anyways, I'm gonna put some music on and hang out by ye old fire. Ye old fire. You can hear the train across the river. It just started moving. I didn't even realize that there was one just sitting there. Because they pass so frequently, I didn't even realize it wouldn't even just stop there. But it was dark out. I mean, they're always riding past. I didn't even realize it stopped. But it just started moving. It's pretty cool. I wonder where it's headed. Actually about to take this chili off right now. Try to get you a good shot of it. Damn. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good stuff right there. It's been cooking all evening. Good. Not bad for dehydrated. I think because I let it stew for so long, it brought everything back together. I did add a lot of water to it though. But for everything to get tender, like all the celery pieces and stuff, yeah, everything's tender and cooked. I was so beat yesterday. When I climbed in my sleeping bag, I was listening to the trains rolling by, and it put me right to sleep. I don't know. This is like peaceful. It's kind of cool. It's like I got no worries right now. For the next couple days at least. Whenever I get back, it's back to work. But fun. Alrighty. I will see you later after I'm done with this sometime. Alright, I don't know how well this is recording, but I got my light and my GoPro on my forehead right now. But yeah. So anyways, what I got for dinner is I got a ribeye steak, and I threw a baked potato right there. That's just chilling there. That's gonna take a while to do, but I'm gonna season this this steak up. What I got for that is roasted garlic and herb, but I mixed 50-50 with the spicy Montreal. So it's like a mix. Ooh, wait. I shouldn't have. It might make me delete these videos. Alright, well, I don't know. Can anybody tell me if they do that? If they make you delete it? I don't think they would, but I don't know. I'm not trying to get my stuff blocked from YouTube because I was playing somebody else's music or something. Alright, anyways, so yeah, got that all seasoned up, both sides. I'm gonna put some around the sides too. Yeah. I'm gonna put that here. Right there. Actually, I'm gonna go right here. Let that kind of smoke out for a while, because I got a few hours, and why not spend it watching that thing cook? And also I put the potato in a low spot so it's not going to cook too fast. That's going to take like an hour or so. It's slow going. It's not in any coals or anything, it's just off to the side. Yeah, steak looks pretty good. Alright, so I don't know if you can see me all that well. So it's about like 10:15 tonight. Bad news bears, I just burned the crap out of my fingertip. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know, it's pretty gnarly. I was touching the grate for moving my steak around, and when I grabbed the end of the grate that I thought was actually cold, it wasn't cold. It was like damn near red hot. And yeah, fried my fingertip. But it's all good. That steak looks pretty good. It's smoking nice. It's just hanging out here on the back burner, low and slow. That's all. You know, just getting her done. Alright, so I just cut into this. Oh my god. Is it good? Yummy. It's so good. Actually set this thing up. Drop my fork too. I think it's just that. No, I can't see anything because I got that light in my face. Okay. There it is. Yeah, that light's a lot brighter. The steak is so good. It's super juicy. It's like melt in your mouth. That seasoning I put on it was incredible. I smoked it for a couple hours and just kind of put it on really low instead of coals, and seared the outside. Oh my god, so good. I forgot what else I got. I don't know if you can see that. Got me a baked potato to go with it. Definitely pretty awesome. Oh yeah, that's done. Yeah, boy. I'll just cut it right into it. Yo. Oh, see the steam coming off it. Probably fogging up. Oh yeah. But so get something special for the baked potato. We can find it. Butter. Butter, butter. Butter, butter. missing. Salt and pepper. I think I showed you guys this before. It's like flaked sea salt. Tastes super good. I'm a sea salt kind of person. I don't like that other salt. I don't know why. Other salt seems like it dries you out, whereas like sea salt tastes salty, but it's not. I don't know. You like almost consume it on anything, and it doesn't seem like you get dried out for some reason. I don't know. It's weird, for me at least. Oh, you know, it'd be fire. I cook a piece of bacon and throw it on here. Yeah, that would be super good. I think I might do that. This is fun, hang out in the woods and just eat a bunch of good food. I love it. I love it. Yes, yes. Try to look up this stuff. See if somebody can look it up and tell me where they came from. Because there's no like manufacturer on it at all. I don't know. Some old guy was at the vet's hospital and a little setup there, and I was trying his hot sauce. It's never real good. That one I like the best, and I bought it. And it's really good hot sauce. Actually, thinking about that, I'm sitting here talking about it. Didn't even pour anything. No. Just split this board. There's like clean in between it, so you can use it like a plate. This steak is amazing. Best thing about it is I got another one for tomorrow. Or man, it does not get any better than this. The wind's picking up. starting to go upriver now. Man, that onion is good. The stirred potato. Yeah. Where's my plate at? I'm using a lid for my soup lid. I know what else I can throw in here. Some cheese. I did not put bacon on it. As much as I wanted to, I didn't. I'm just like super hungry. Takes a lot out of you while you're here. It really does. Definitely beats you up a little bit. That's for sure. Yeah, I can tell the temperature is definitely changing. Wind's blowing down river now. I mean, it's definitely getting colder. I can see my breath now. I haven't checked the temperature yet. I don't know where my phone is. Oops. Whoopsie daisy. I don't know. Stop it. Oh well, I don't know. Do not know what time it is, or don't know what. Shit. Yeah, I'm tired. All right, let's try this again. I had a dead GoPro battery. So, anyways, good morning. Slept good. I was warm all night. It did get down to, it's right now 18 degrees. It's cold, but I mean, I got a good fire going. But I think I'm gonna call my trip a little early because the storm's supposed to get worse. And I don't want to get stuck 100 miles away from where I'm at, and I got other obligations to take care of. So unfortunately, I am calling this an early trip, and I'm gonna head back today and ride back. But nevertheless, it was still awesome and fun, and I had a blast the whole entire time. It was great. Yeah, so I mean, right now I'm just slowly packing everything up. I'm not in like a rush to leave, but the storm's coming in. I can't help that. I wish it happened on a better day, but you know, I did what I could. But still, I mean, even riding back now, I still got, it's almost 42 miles, 41, 42 miles, something like that. So, that will be back to Pittsburgh. So right now, I'm basically, all these like little blocks of wood that I brought with me, I'm just throwing them in the fire. That was for my, these I cut for my Bush Buddy stove so I could cook on it if need be, but since I'm not going to use them, I'm not carrying them back with me, and it's just extra weight, so I'm just burning them. I didn't mind carrying them here because I was going to use them, but since I'm going home, I'm not carrying extra weight that I don't need to. Maybe it'll make me a little faster on the way home, but so now that I'm packing up, pretty much I'm throwing, got like my heavy duty winter boots in the bottom. I got my axe and saw in there. Rolled up my sleeping bag, got my mat in there, my bike. This tarp up there is going to be the last thing to go in because that is blocking the wind from coming in here and freezing me out. So yeah, that's gonna be the last thing. But yeah, so I'm basically pulling all my food and stuff together because that's all my food that's in the back in them boxes. So yeah, cooler, dry food box, and all my dry food is actually right there. But and candy wrappers. Gotta have candy wrappers. But yeah, I was eating it up. I was eating it up. Candy and candy and more candy. I had a bunch of chocolate last night. It's all good though. I like chocolate. Not much, it's just small increments, but I like chocolate. Well, this is it. All packed up. Ready to go. Get everything in there, fishing rod. Man, you feel a blast of heat coming out of here. But yeah, that's what it was. Left a few sticks on there. There's a couple that's down the next one over that they're gonna take over this. They're gonna take over the shelter when I leave. They're playing video games or something, they said. I don't know. But I asked them if they wanted to fire because I was leaving, and they said yeah, so. Well, it's been fun. It's definitely been fun. Now I gotta get back on the road. We got a long bike trip. Long bike trip. So, well, hasta luego shelter. It's been real and it's been fun. And it's been super fun, actually. So, alright, well, that being said, I'm gonna get back on the road here. So, I'll see you guys on the trail. Here's one view I didn't stop to get on my way to that Cedar Creek Park. It's pretty cool. Water's running real fast, and it's high too from all the rain that we just got. Look at me, I'm an Eskimo. Yeah, I know. It's 18 degrees out. I'm freezing. I figured I'd just show you that. The little town I'm coming through. Kind of cool. As big as it is. Alright. So I'm on the trail. Riding. I already got in, I think 18 miles already. Heading back. I'm not sure. Hold on. Let me actually look. Cause I haven't stopped for a while. We got 20.3 miles in. So that's not too bad. It's 3:36 and about halfway. I figured I'd get there around 7. So, yep. Put my gloves on. Gonna probably stop up here somewhere. Stop up here somewhere to make my lunch. I'll make a sandwich or something. Oh, so it was kind of funny because earlier on the trail I was riding, I heard all this squawking coming from some squirrels, and I get up around the bend and I see where they're at, and it looks like this squirrel's like hanging upside down. I'm like, what the fuck is he doing? And he looked like a really fat squirrel. So I stopped my bike and I like put it down, and when I put it down, he separated from the other one, so they were like humping or whatever. But it was just funny. Yeah. What is that? It's a bunch of yellow stuff. I don't know if it's like people dumping trash or what that is. Oh, I know what it is. It's those the monkey balls. You know what I'm talking about? I guess something was breaking it apart and eating all of them, because that must be the monkey ball tree. Well, we call them monkey balls at least. I don't know the real name of them. I just know it's monkey ball. They have like real sticky sap in them, and yeah, you don't want to touch them. I don't know if they're poisonous or what it is, but I know their sap is like glue. It's like this, I don't know, it's just like, looks like Elmer's glue, but it just doesn't come off. Anyways, so yeah, 20 miles in, gonna go up here and make some lunch, and I'll get back to you. All right, well, I stopped a little bit up past Boston. The weather's getting really bad, but I'm about halfway through. I got another 20 miles to go. This is super slick. I was riding up this hill right there, and as I was coming up, my back tire kept slipping out from under me. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just gonna continue on trucking and try to get home before the storm comes, because I mean, it was either this or get stuck in that shack for another day, and then I still wouldn't make it to Ohiopyle anyways, because the storm's coming, and once I get there I gotta reset up camp and everything, and it just got washed out because of that first storm. I would have been alright if the first storm didn't come through and then this one was there, because I could have made it there yesterday and then camped through this one. But yeah, so I'm not really trying to set up camp again. So I don't know, gonna keep on trucking. So but yeah, I figured I'd put an update there.